Today I'm going to show you how to clean an often overlooked air filter in your home. This filter here is in our kitchen and it's part of the air exchanger. It draws air in here, like especially the bad air that's in your kitchen from cooking and that sort of thing, sends it through the air exchanger and outside, keeps the air in your home clean. What the problem is these filters are often overlooked. Now we just moved into this home like 4 months ago. So I'm getting around to cleaning this now and it looks pretty dirty. It feels sticky. When you're cooking in your home, there's a lot of grease that comes off of that, the smoke off your cooking, especially if you're frying, and it goes up into the filters above your stove. Also, it goes up through this filter. And if this filter is plugged, which I'll show you in a second, it's pretty dirty, it's not working right. And your air exchanger is like the lungs of your home. And if your lungs are plugged, then you can't breathe. It's not working properly. So you want to make sure that all the air filters in your home, like this one and the ones over your stove, are clean at all times. Or else, where does all that smoke and grease go? It sticks to your walls, sticks to your furniture, sticks to your ceiling. So up here, lots of people don't even realize they have this in their home. So what it is, you'll see, it looks like just a normal vent, right? But there's a little latch here in the way. You open that up, the grill drops down, and look at this filter. Can you see the metal filter, how dirty it is around here? That's all sticky, dust, cooking, exhaust, that sort of thing. It's dirty in here. My grill itself is dirty. We're gonna clean everything today and get this house breathing the way it should. All right, I should mention that these metal filters are reusable. There's no need to go buy new metal filters. We're just gonna clean them up and save money here. So first thing is you'll need some super hot water. If your house doesn't provide good hot water quickly, you can boil some water, put it in here. That's what I did. So now I'm gonna lower the metal filter here into the hot water, very hot water. I'm going to take some baking soda and I'm going to sprinkle that on the filter like this. The other thing we're going to take is some Dawn dish soap. This is for grease, eliminates grease. So we're going to sprinkle some of this Dawn dish soap onto our filter. And we're just going to swish that around like this a little bit. It's pretty hot. And we're going to let this sit for about, 15, 20 minutes and let it do its thing, get that metal filter all cleaned up. In the meantime, we're going to go clean our grill and on the inside of our grill. So this type of grill is new to me also. I thought I could remove it, but it looks like it's rivets. It has 2 rivets here, one on each side, and it holds it in place here on the grill frame like a hinge. So we'll just clean this grill the best we can. We'll do inside the grooves. But first I want to get up along here. This is where I'm seeing some heavy build up here. So what I did was I took this paper towel and I dipped it into the sink where my grill is cleaning. And that's already got the baking soda and the soap already in the water. So I'm using that to clean everything off here. And it's working out pretty good. So now we're going to clean inside this grill. There's even a little bit of mildew in this grill. Not much, just a tiny bit. It looks like mildew anyway. So we'll get all that cleaned up while we're here. We'll just clean the louvers in this grill until they're all cleaned up really good. And you can see my paper towel is getting pretty dirty. So here we'll just work our paper towel inside, in between each louver. It won't take that long. I'll finish this up and then we'll go check on our filter, rinse it off, and see how it's doing. Don't know if you can see that, but there's like a tinge of filth on the bottom of the sink basin here, under the filter. This has only been in here like 10 minutes. You can see it's pretty clean now already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this now. We're gonna pull the drain on this, drain that filthy water. And now we can rinse this off. We'll rinse it off with warm water. Give it a spray like this, get all that soap, baking soda out of there. We'll do both sides. There we go, the metal filter is all rinsed. We're gonna take this outside, dry it off, just kind of wave it around, get all the loose water out of it, and then we're gonna let it dry and put it back into the grill. Now we have our clean metal filter to go into the kitchen exhaust grill. So we're gonna put it right back in place like this. We're gonna close the door, latch the door. There we go, we got a nice clean filter and our home will breathe fresh air. If you've ever wondered how to clean the filters on your home air exchanger, I recently did a video. I'll leave it here to your right where you can watch that video next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.